pag na-threaten yung isang senador, kagaya niyan, tinithreaten na indirectly ni Matibag si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, the others would rise to defend the institution. Kasi at Matibag is in effect indirectly attacking the independence of the Senate by indirectly warning Senator Cayetano that he is going to be investigated. So dapat kami sa COMELEC doon, ganun din eh. Lagi naman kaming, gaya nun, lalo na si Bautista, lagi kaming other end of the spectrum sa botohan eh. Lagi, not always. Pero pag ang independence na ng COMELEC ang nakasalalay o may bugado dyan o testigo na mag-accuse sa amin na nabili kami, everybody, we will circle the wagons kung sa Western movies pa. We will circle the wagons because we have a duty to protect and defend the integrity and independence of our institution. Yan, wala ka na. Hindi ko na nakikita yan ngayon, Doc Loha, kasi masyadong divided na sila sa political lines nila. Nakita natin yan nung nag-agawan ng Senate presidency na parang wala nang good manners and right conduct.
Oo,
wala na.
Parang hindi na tayo sumusunod sa constitutional law.
Oo, tsaka yung good custom as Filipinos, parang wala na.
Surprise lang talaga na haharap ka sa isang impeachment court, tapos isa kang head ng NBI.
What, regional director?
Yes, tapos hindi mo man lang talaga binasang mabuti yung iyong affidavit. So,
tapos saka bakit BARM? Regional director siya ng BARM.
Nailipat daw siya. Tapos second to that, nung tinanong siya, may taga-type po kami. So, Golden Boy
ng NBI?
Okay.
Ay,
Golden Boy. Okay.
Golden Boy ka pala. Kaya pala ayaw mo mag-eye contact?
Actually, Mother, may lumalabas sa parang dating pari ba siya or pari?
Abay, sana okay
Sana.
yun. Di ba?
Baka sabi ko, may kakambal ba?
Huwag siyang magsinungaling. Kasi yung Senate court na yan, mabait lang yan si Senator Escudero eh. Bay kung mga kagaya kung mga presiding officer dyan, kagaya ng panahon namin sa COMELEC. O kaya nandyan kaya si Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. Naku! Uwi ka talagang luhaan dyan, luluha ka ng dugo.
Di ba si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano nga nag-request na paatinin si Senator Marcoleta at saka si Jinggoy kasi hindi pa naman sila proven guilty. And they need to do their job. And yung constitutional right din nila yon. And bilang mamayang Pilipino, tayo mga bumoto sa kanila, pwede tayong manawagan na ipaattend sila.
Lalo na may kakayahan naman sila.
At saka hindi doon, Mother, kasi kung talagang ang sinasabi nila, sinabi ko nga kahapon, ang hamon ko dyan sa Senado at sa gobyernong ito, kung sinasabi niyong hindi ito political persecution o hindi ito personal na pag-atake para hindi maka-attend si Senator Marcoleta at yung sinasabi niyo nga kakampi ni BP Sara or allies niyo dyan sa Senado, paatinin niyo. Kung hindi nyo sila mapapa-attend, talagang personal yung atake nyo. At takot kayo sa kanila.
Kasi ang dami namang partisan dyan di ba? Sinasabi ko nga unsolicited advice ko kay Senator Risa Hontiveros. Hontiveros. Iba, inhibit na siya. Kasi nag-declare na siya dun sa amin sa Iloilo na tatakbo siya sa pagka-presidente. Kasi nag-declare na siya, di ba? Na gusto niya siyang kandidato. May conflict of interest na si Senator Hontiveros. So, ako, unsolicited advice lang. Para naman yung credibility mo, medyo, ma-protect mo, ha? Mag-inhibit ka na dyan. Kasi, hindi naman sa hindi naman mas importante naman yung election ng 2028 para sa kay Senator Risa kaysa dyan sa impeachment na yan. Kasi alam naman yan na hindi naman nila makukuha yung 16 votes talaga. Diba?
Kaya nga, di ba, meron naman lumalabas na issue na iniimbestigahan daw yung dating Clark something at ang parang tina-target daw si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Baka nakalimutan niya, nandun din si Dizon, Secretary Dizon. Dalawa sila.
Itong si Attorney NBI Matibag, masyado itong matapang
May statement siya.
Senador
Totoo kaya yung
kinukontra.
statement niya?
Di ba? hindi na ito according to ng separation of powers at hindi na ito good custom, kumbaga. Habang naglilitis at habang huwes si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano ay binabantaan siya indirectly na siya ay imbestigahan doon sa ASEAN Games na expenses. Di sige, oo nga, Kati, no? Kasama pala dyan si Vince Dizon, dyan sa committee na yan. Hindi ko alam yan,
Parang part siya, I forgot na At saka kung totoo man, kasi may nabasa lang ako sa social media para lang klaruhin. May nakita ko na sinabi daw correct me if I'm wrong din, na kung sino raw ang kakalaban sa gobyerno ay gigibain ni Matibag.
Nako!
I don't know if it's true, pero
Babalik tayo
lumalabas
mamaya
siya.
kay Matibag, Kati. Balikan natin si Dr. Melissa Loha, who was a
Yes.
PhD in Public International Law in the University of Hong Kong. Doc Loha, so, yung next na articles of impeachment po na you think the prosecution will focus on next time, what is that?
I think there was talk about the BIR documents, so we would now be on the confidential funds and on corruption issues. Regarding lang po dun sa mga senators, in the 2000 rules of impeachment, ito yung sa kay Estrada na impeachment. Yung rules dun nakalagay, may kasama na provision on alternative way of voting. For instance, absent sila. So, i-adapt lang ng bagong mode of voting. Basta yung absence nila would be for a valid reason. For instance, detention, which is a valid reason why they can't attend. So, natanggal lang yung nung nagkaroon yung 2011 drafting ng rules for the impeachment of Corona naman, nilagay yun ni Senator Soto. Nilagay niya dun sa proposal niya. Pero, it was Senator Joker Arroyo who said na tanggalin yun because unfair dun sa mga senators who would be present. Meaning, yung opposition ni Senator Arroyo was not based on unconstitutionality. It was just based on some petty reason about inconvenience, unfairness, and so on. So, hindi siya interpretation ng constitutional provision. So, yung insertion of that particular provision in the 2000 rules would still be the prevailing interpretation of the Constitution that kahit absent yung senator, he has the right and the constitutional duty, hindi nga siya right, duty nga siya to participate and to vote. So, sino Senator Marcoleta, etc. should
And
be
Jinggoy.
given.
Yes.
Yeah, Senator Jinggoy and Senator Cayetano, if he's going to be jailed, there has to be a mechanism. Otherwise, kung hindi gagawa ng mechanism ang Senate, it would be in breach of the Constitution. So, yung current rules na wala siya doon, hindi yan siya authoritative in the sense na precluded na yung participation by other modes.
And
Kasi meron ng,
it's worthy to note that it was Senator Soto who proposed that.
Yeah. Actually, funny enough kasi 2011, yung kay Corona, siya yung naglagay, siya yung nag-propose ng retention of that provision. Sorry. From the 2000 rules.
Yun.
Only that, si Senator Joker didn't agree. Pero not on constitutional grounds.
But,
So there's no constitutional obstacle in the present setting kung bakit hindi sila mag-adopt ng other modes of participation by those who are not able to attend.
Right. I agree with you. Kasi we did that in COMELEC nung time ng COVID, di ba? Because I was in my hometown for almost a year and a half. But I participated because we changed the rules, di ba? So, they're always saying na, you cannot do that, wala namang COVID ngayon. But the Senate, of course, has the power to amend its rules. And I think nawala sa Senado ngayon, Doc Melissa, no? Yung parang collective
wisdom.
respect sa Senate as an institution. Kasi noong araw, kahit na magkabilaan sila, di ba? Magkabilaan sila, hindi sila, they don't belong to the same party. Pag na-threaten yung isang senador, kagaya niyan, tinithreaten na indirectly ni Matibag, si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, the others would rise to defend the institution. Kasi at Matibag is in effect indirectly attacking the independence of the Senate by indirectly warning Senator Cayetano that he is going to be investigated. So dapat yung kami sa COMELEC noon ganun din eh. Lagi naman kaming gaya noon, lalo na si Bautista, lagi kaming other end of the spectrum sa botohan eh. Lagi, not always. Pero pag ang independence na ng COMELEC ang nakasalalay o may bugado dyan o testigo na mag-accuse sa amin na nabili kami, everybody, we will circle the wagons kung sa Western movies pa. We will circle the wagons because we have a duty to protect and defend the integrity and independence of our institution. Yan, wala ka na. Hindi ko na nakikita yan ngayon, Doc Loha, kasi masyadong divided na sila sa political lines nila. Nakita natin yan nung nag-agawan ng Senate presidency na parang wala nang good manners and right conduct.
Oo,
Wala na.
Parang hindi na tayo sumusunod sa constitutional law.
Oo, tsaka yung good custom as Filipinos, parang wala na. Di ba?
Nasira.
Mayor ako, kung senador yan Senator Vito Salonga, Neptali Gonzales, yung mga, they were giants di ba? They were giants among men, di ba? Mga Jokno, mga gano'n.
Ang presiding judge natin.
So, they never spoke ill personally against their fellow senators even when they disagreed. No? Kaya talagang hahanga ka sa kanila.
Very ang taas ng tingin ng mga tao before
No,
sa Senate.
ngayon parang ano ba to? Kasi siguro ang social media, Kati, ay napaka freelance, freewheeling na. Ha?